Hello friends, Tony here, doing a little bit of fishing today. We're going to do some topwater action with this Yozuri. I think it's a 3DB topwater popper. I really like these poppers, man. They're probably my favorite topwater lure. Right now I'm using a Abu Garcia Black Max. I believe this is 12-pound monofilament. You want monofilament if you're doing topwater because this line will float. Got one. Hey, look at that. It's not a keeper, but hey, at least now we know what they're hitting on. These little topwater poppers. You know, there's lots of things out there. There's whopper ploppers, there's buzz baits, all kinds of good lures to use. But I'll tell you what, in the morning when it's topwater time, those poppers do a great job. All right. The way you do this topwater, let's see if you can even see this. You know, cast it out there, wait for those ripples to disappear. Tilt your rod tip down towards the water. Just give it a little jerking action every once in a while. Just kind of let it sit. Sometimes speed it up and let it sit for a few minutes. Nothing on that one. We'll give her another cast. Got one. It's another little one. You're putting up a fight though. A topwater popper. It gets them. This lake isn't known for its bass fishing. This is a place you go to when you want to catch a bunch of sunfish and crappie. Alright. Okay, that's two so far. We haven't been out here that long, so we're going to stick with the topwater popper here. We'll just keep going until we get a decent one. And then keep going after that. Got us another one here. Boy, they really like that topwater today. He almost swallowed that sucker. Alright. Let's get this out of here. Let's get you back in the water. They're getting bigger. Got one. This one feels like it might be a little bigger. Maybe not. About the same. All right. Okay. Let's see. They are swallowing these things. They are hungry. All right, there's number 4. Well, we know where they're at, we know what they're wanting, so we're just gonna stay right here. Another little dude. We just moved down a little bit. Same topwater. Tell you what, they're not getting very big today, and they are swallowing these treble hooks. There we go. All right, let's just keep going. I didn't even reel that one in. I didn't even start to retrieve that one. I was just moving the boat. All right, so that's what, number 6? We've only been out here probably 30 minutes. So we're catching fish. They're not big, but all right. Oh, nope. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Yep, got one. And on the old rattle trap, decided to switch it up for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers on this one. All right, another one, not very big. But like I said, this place ain't really known for their big bass. All right, let's go right back to the same spot. Got one. All right. Again, nothing big, but we're catching them nonetheless. Well, this thing has been producing today. Well, guys, we had a good day, but I think it's time to head on home. Wasn't a bad day fishing. We caught about 10 or 12 bass. Nothing really huge, but I only had a couple hours to get out here anyway, so I'll take it. At least we didn't get skunked. Before I get off here, be sure to like and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, let me know. I'll do more like it. I know it probably wasn't that exciting, but it felt good just to get out here on a nice day and catch some fish. Be sure to check out my links below. The chopper build is still going on. So far I'm in first place. There's many rounds, and I think the next round ends in a couple days, so be sure to hit the Dream Chopper link down below, and then hit, I think it's called free daily vote, something like that. So you're allowed to do that once every 24 hours. So anyways guys, I'm gonna head back, get loaded up and head back home. I appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one.